I can't try my best.
You should, because it's time to level up your Filipino vocabulary, Ali.
Ang iyong TOTD ay hatid ni Dalagang Pilipinan. Napakagandang binibini. Rise up.
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Wow.
Isang dalagang Pilipina.
Grabe na to.
Pwede pa bang ikot po doon, kuya?
Yan.
Ang ganda.
Pwede pa break dancing din mga sir.
Parang talaga ng lechon.
Ganda. Hold lang po, ha? Up.
Iba ba?
Maraming salamat, mga Ginoo. Pasensya na kayo. Hello! Kamusta ka ulit, Ginoong Ali? How are you?
I'm good, okay lang.
Okay lang. Ayan, handa ka na ba para sa iyong TOTD?
I'm ready, yeah.
We're ready. Ito na ang iyong salita. Pakibasa.
Kahoy.
Kahoy. What do you think is kahoy?
Do you know what it means? Any idea?
Kahoy.
Kahoy. Kahoy.
Make a guess. Wild guess.
Kahoy. Based on how it's spelled and how it's pronounced. Kahoy. What do you think kahoy is?
It's a thing or food or...
Do you think it's food?
No, I don't think
Is it food? Binibini rice, ha?
Pagkain ba, Dabber Cats?
Kahoy.
Pagkain. Ang kahoy in English ay wood.
Good.
Food. Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, kahoy is used in making
I didn't
furniture.
expect that.
It's okay. Pero here, Ginong Ali, I'll teach you some common furniture in a Filipino home, okay?
Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Ayan, meron tayo dyan. Pakibasa, please.
Aparador.
Aparador. Ano sa tingin mo ang aparador?
What do you think is aparador?
Aparador part of the house. That's part of the...
Not really. It's a furniture. Aparador.
Furniture, yeah.
What kind of furniture?
Aparador.
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 You walk into your
It's like cabinet?
Yeah! Cover ka slow coaching ah. Aparador.
Yeah, that's aparador, yeah.
Yeah.
Ang aparador?
In Iran,
Because
yes, you
I'm
have,
an
right?
interior designer, that's why I hear that one about
Okay.
aparador, yeah.
Here naman. Next. Ay pakibasa.
Tocador.
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 Yeah.
What do you think is tocador?
Door is door. But I don't know tocador.
It's that door.
Under the door or no? No.
No.
Tocador.
You talk under the door.
Tocador. I just know the door.
Well,
Tocador.
tocador is a dresser.
Fangador.
Yun, a dresser.
That's different.
Dresser, that's nice.
That's a dresser. Tocador.
Tocador, yeah. I learned new things.
Yes. Okay, next
What?
one is Celia.
Celia.
What's Celia?
I heard that.
Celia. For sure you've heard this.
Yeah, yeah.
Celia.
Yeah.
Celia. There are lots of Celia wherever you go.
Celia is floor or no?
Celia.
No.
We're talking about furniture.
Yes. Celia.
Celia like color?
Nope.
No. Furniture.
Furniture.
A piece of furniture.
Piece of furniture.
Yes.
Celia.
Celia. See that?
I heard it.
No.
A lot of times.
Celia.
I heard a lot.
Celia is a name of an actress in the Philippines.
Ah.
Celia Rodriguez.
That's cool. Yeah.
Yes. Celia.
Yeah.
Ay isa?
Ah, chair.
Chair.
Celia.
Sayang.
I
I know that. I
Celia.
forgot.
How do you say Celia in your language?
Sandali.
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 Sandali in our language is wait a minute.
Sandali.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Sandali.
Sandali.
In your language.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sandali. Wait
Wait
a
a
minute.
minute.
Wait.
Yes.
Sandali.
Yes,
Wow.
you can use
What
it.
about
Amazing.
wait a minute in your language?
Wait a minute. Yelasa Sapcon.
Ha?
Yeklasa Sapcon.
We don't have that in
Wait
our
a minute.
language.
Thank you, Pilipino
Do you know
guys.
Persian? Language, Persian language.
No, actually, no.
It's easy. I can teach you very fast.
Okay.
Do you know
Sure,
Persian
go ahead.
cats?
What?
Persian cats.
Of course, I
Yes.
love Persian cats.
So that's my language.
Let's talk about that later, okay? For now, show us your talent. To perform, Valse
That's why I
Viaje.
have a lot of Persian cats. I'm talking to them all the time. I'm just kidding.
Sinimulan kasi natin eh. To perform Valse Viaje, here's Alireza Garibzadeh from Iran.
Thank you, Alireza Garibzadeh, our Porinoy from Iran.
Ipinakita sa atin ni Alireza ang Valse Viaje, isang festival dance mula sa Pangasinan na ang ibig sabihin ay Old Waltz.
Galing din ang pagkaka-perform nila ni Porinoy number 1.
In
Grabe,
fairness.
iba talaga mga galing natin mga Porinoy.
Tsaka, kitang-kita mo natin na pinag-aaralan talaga nila yung mga sayaw natin, yung culture natin, di ba, Mamiki?
At nananawagan po kami sa iba pang Porinoys. Pwede rin kayo mag-audition every Monday to Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. here at Tito Pag Media Center, Reliance Street in Daluyong City. Just look for Roby.
Ang mananalong Porinoy ay mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos.
Non-winner naman will receive 10,000 pesos.
Ito na mga Darikats, let's call back our Porinoys for today. Here's Porinoy number 1 from USA, William Thompson.
And Porinoy number 2 from Iran, Alireza Garibzadeh.
Team
Thank you,
Studio,
guys.
1 or 2? Nalamin na natin ang Porinoy natin.
And then for today, our Porinoy Via Fam Invasion winner for today is Porinoy number 1 or 2. Porinoy number 2, Ali Gerimzadeh from Milan. Congratulations. I think you're Will and Thompson of music. Congratulations.